Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back, and let's talk about Bitcoin here. So Bitcoin has moved up to 90,000 from dropping to $81,000. Now it's been a bit sideways for the past 2 days, and we have doubts what's going to happen next. So let's look at what is about to happen with Bitcoin. Now I have said this before in yesterday's video, especially that Bitcoin on the daily time frame does seem to drop below the Adam and Eve double top. So you've broken below here and you went up for the retest, and it does look like the retest failed, and you still have a technical target to drop down to $76,000. At the current moment, there's one pattern that I just want to talk about here, and if I have to zoom in, I'm going to show you what's going on. So Bitcoin currently kind of moved up and made a rising wedge. So you have the prices going up like this, and especially Bitcoin is facing a lot of massive resistance, at least at this prices here. So you have the ability to go down again to $81,000 out of that rising wedge. And secondly is also to check the 15 minutes. If you check the 15 minutes time frame here, Bitcoin has a lot of resistance. So number one is you have this resistance and rejection, that resistance and rejection, another resistance here, and again another rejection. Clear another rejection right there, right? So from this point onwards, you can do something where you start to drop to the downside. However, if you start to break above maybe to 92K, 92,600 and retest this pattern, you could actually go a little bit higher and continue higher. Now, that's all for the video on Bitcoin. And one more thing is, if you join for the Q2 today, you get the rest of the days of March for absolutely free. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Love. Peace.